Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Medicare Entitlement Statement. This document confirms your enrollment and coverage details, often needed for other benefits or insurance. The easiest way to obtain it is through the Social Security Administration, or SSA. Before you begin, ensure you have your Social Security number and basic personal details readily available. This will streamline your application and help you get your statement quickly and efficiently. The most convenient method is requesting your statement online through your My Social Security account. First, go to the official Social Security Administration website. If you do not have an account, it takes just a few minutes to create one. Once logged in, look for sections related to your benefits or documents. You should find a clear option to request your Medicare Entitlement Statement, usually under Medicare Information or Proof of Benefits. When requesting your statement, you will need to provide a few key pieces of information to verify your identity and ensure accuracy. This includes your full legal name, your current mailing address where you want the statement sent, and your Social Security number. You will also need to confirm your date of birth. Double-check all details before submitting to avoid any delays in receiving your important Medicare Entitlement Statement. After submitting your request, you can typically expect to receive your Medicare Entitlement Statement by mail within 7 to 10 business days. Once it arrives, take a moment to review all the information for accuracy, including your name, Medicare number, and coverage dates. If you have not received your statement after 2 weeks, or if you notice any discrepancies, contact the Social Security Administration directly for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.